Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare a quick and easy snack with pasta. This will be so cheesy and will taste so good. For the recipe, we are going to cook 1 cup of pasta in 2 cups of water. Add a little olive oil to avoid pasta sticking to each other. Cook this until the pasta turns soft. Pasta is ready, drain the water and allow it to cool down. Now take a skewer and arrange the pasta. Repeat the same with the rest of the pasta. Now take a pan. Place a parchment paper and apply oil evenly. Place the arranged pasta on this. Apply pizza sauce. You can also use chili tomato sauce if you don't have pizza sauce. Moving on to the toppings, first is mozzarella cheese. Here I am using tomatoes and onions. If you want, you can add some chicken or mushrooms. Next is oregano. And these are olives. If you want to bake this in oven, it is 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Or if you don't have an oven, you can use a pan like this. This is idli pan. Don't use water, keep in low flame and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Here the pasta pizza is ready. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.